Hello, I'm back. I'm doing New York session. It's 7:20, March 27, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the news. Got 7, 10:30, and 11:30 marked out. I'm expecting 7 to be a protraction move into this breaker on a 50-minute. There. It's also the 1-hour order block. Came to fill the gap. Got my watermark. Okay. My setup is this. I took short, but I failed because turns out that even though we didn't hit this daily breaker, we did hit its daily breaker high. Up close candle here. The breaker is this. From this close to the high, and price reacted to it clearly. That's why it moved, because we already reacted to daily breaker. We reacted towards that into that daily breaker already without touching the open. We touched the high. Now we rallied. That's why one of the reasons why this 4-hour CB didn't hold and now it's inverse. Got this unicorn model. I want price to touch that 50-minute breaker high, which is here. Once it does that, I'm in. There's 1-hour order block here, which price push lower, and I'm expecting this 1-hour OP to hold that push down and this 4-hour CB. We also have SMT, this low and this low, and it's supported by the 1-hour BSC. So we could put our stop loss here or here. Why here? Because it's outside the 4-hour inverse CB. And if you look at the 5-minute, we have breaker here with clear unicorn breaker FEG. Breakers here though. Price yet got us in. Nope. Price rebounds this imbalance. 50-minute busy rallies, so this can be intermediate term low, but I put my stop loss at this order block because this is the start of this displacement move. Therefore, I also have this breaker, 5-minute breaker. So I put my stop loss there using institution level 18267.0 and 183.303.0. I'm going to take a 3-to-1 risk to reward, aiming for that equal high into this 1-hour CB and potentially to that breaker in 1-hour chart. I'm playing this since I'm confident that Monday is the low of the week. We reacted to this daily, and Tuesday also reacted to the daily. Wednesday also respecting that daily fair value gap and that daily breaker. Therefore, I'm confident that this is the Monday low of the week. Should see price rally. Take out buy side now. Wednesday expansion move. Trying to catch that. So be patient. I'm not market ordering in. Of course, I could put my entry on this fair value gap, but I don't think it's needed given the OTE is at our entry point, and this is just the equilibrium. Okay, so the equilibrium of this range breaker unicorn is at our entry. Coincidentally, this is the 50-minute breaker and 1 hour order block, all aligning with this equilibrium. It's our entry. So I want price to fall there, juice, and then maybe at 8:30 we don't have news, but usually on 8:30 there will be some volatility spikes we get used to push price higher. 9:30 will be some manipulation, and 10:30 a new volatility injection, and 11:30 last volatility injection here, because we have 2 events despite being low. I lost $100, win $100 and 50, so this plus 0.5. I'm basically break even, but this trade will give us 3%. Matrix. Okay, 2 to 5. London session here. This is London session, and I took short right here on this breaker. Just came here, targeting this rejection block. I didn't took an entry because this was I took this entry, but with only half the risk. This was the loss, $50 loss, 0.5 hour loss. The reason why this short didn't work because I thought this high was London session high, but it's not even in London session. London session is 2 to 5, which is within this range, and I failed to realize that we have already hit the daily breaker already. It doesn't need to reach here because we have the daily breaker highs, which is around here. I think it was like this, so it's already hit it. I just didn't mark it out and I got distracted. I didn't see it. So this was actually a good long if price were to go to our 1 hour busy in this London session. I didn't take it though. Instead I took short because I believe that this was the London high of the week, which is wrong. I mean London session high, which is wrong because it's not even on the kill zone. And my second mistake was thinking that we were only generating liquidity here because we failed to take this breaker, when instead we already have. So there's 2 mistakes on why this short didn't work out. So now I'm really confident that we are going to be bullish because London session we already have a low in place, and it's supported by SMT. Usually on London 7 to 8:30 there will be OTEs, so I'm trying to find, and for OTEs be something like this. That's why I have my buy limit on that 50%. All in all, a good setup. I'm using higher time frame, Moggings, LTF, lower time frame. Also use the IPDA matrix to determine which IPDA is strong. I'm also using concept of time, like time of day. Okay, we have Monday, low of the week, and we also have established this London low of the day here, with SMT confirming it with a higher time frame busy and breaker supporting it. Therefore, I'm expecting OTE on New York into this order block. Perfect. We see on 50-minute chart, this is down close candle, is an order block. We set our stop loss there. You also have a breakaway gap and BPR. I'm very positive that we are going bullish. Take out this equal high. I'm gonna look at the photo screenshot. Clear, looking clear. Of course. This is 3R. But if we were to hold for all-time high, that'll be a 5R. This is possible using weekly profile, expecting Wednesday and Thursday, Friday to push to this high. Thursday take this high and Friday to reject. Look at this one. Thursday take the high, Friday reject. I'm expecting Thursday here to be able to take this all-time high. At least go to this breaker. Guess it'll be good. This one. It's a 3 to 1, yeah. Depends on the volatility. Let's see what's tomorrow. We have GDP growth rate, quarterfinals, 3.2, 4.9. This is bad. Bad GDP growth rate. Consumer sentiment. Bad for dollar. Good for index. So tomorrow there will be, Thursday will be volatility. So I will hold price for that high. Thursday. I'll hold until 11 here. Thursday 11. Just before lunchtime. if I can get that move, 5R move, then using that news, we have consumer confidence, and GDP growth rate. I'm expecting that to push higher to all-time high. Okay, M3 should be triggered by now. Once price goes to this breaker, I'll take 2 contracts off and then break even. I'm gonna hold till this ATIA all-time high, completing the weekly profile. Or at least I still wanna hold something until Thursday 11 a.m. Why hasn't price filled me? It's a buy limit, not a market order. Where's bid and ask? I'm gonna go eat, so I'm gonna pause it here. Gonna unpause if we got hit on our stop loss, or if we hit this equal highs, or if price just meandering around this range until 11:30. So I'll be back at 9:30. Okay, I'm back. It's 9 a.m. Oh, look at that. Just like we planned. 7 was the Judas swing, and then 8:30 rallies. I'll take one contract at this equal high and another one on this breaker. Then last one would be to hold till Thursday. We created a 15-minute fair value gap while inside this 1 hour hidden fair value gap. This is high probability that we'll probably see 10:30 here, 9 events to push price even higher through this low resistance liquidity. I'm going to pause again. We'll come back once we're at 9:30. I want to see 9:30. So I'm gonna pause. Hello guys, I'm back. We are 9:30 2 actually. 9:30 candle push lower into this 1 hour order block. We have here's our 8:30 opening price and midnight opening price. I'm expecting 9:30 to fill in this gap. Okay, so it will not take liquidity, it will not take this low, it will only go to fill this gap and this hidden busy into this 1 hour OB internal range, and then rise again at 10:30. We should see expansion move. Oh my god, it's pushing lower, lower, lower. It's okay. It'll be weird if we get take out. I like this placement though. Just gotta believe this 1 hour OB should hold price. We are at mean threshold and we are at our entry point. Okay, this is the equilibrium of the range. Try to catch a 3 to 1. If we don't, then that's fine. Some people just don't want help. Whoa, look at that displacement coming off, almost hitting my stop loss here, except this breaker taking heavy inducement 9:30. We're not even at news. This was very unexpected. I think we'll take another L, so -1 this week, violating this 1 hour OB, which is actually a propulsion block. It just doesn't sit right with me. We have no PD arrays, bro. Probably this for our OB. Why is a 4 hour OB holding price? Here, right? Okay, there's nothing. A 4 hour OB is holding price. entry. 4-hour OB. That is massive manipulation, bro. 930. I think it only went here to this busy PPR. Almost got stopped out. Amazing. This is the OTE from this side to this low. Wait, let me check something. Yep, we have the 4-hour OB. That's what's price reacting on. Gonna remove this. Don't need this anymore. We only have the OB here. And first SIBI. Is there more? The only discount array left is this 4-hour SIBI to hold price. For our inverse SIBI, it's the only discount array left. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out, I think, most likely. In this whole candle right here. Snap. You don't even have 930 news. No 930 news. But look at this displacement. It's crazy and that's unexpected. Where's it going? Sell side? This displacement, man. Of course, going sell side. We made unicorn, bearish unicorn. Should we play bearish? Nah, man. Order flow is bullish. Order flow is bullish. I don't see bearishness. You know what? I don't want to get induced, but we should put our stop loss here, in my opinion. How much would that cost? 150. 150, yeah. Okay. Still having conviction on this low. This is not news, this is just 930. We have no 4-hour discount, only 1 hour. Well, there's like a 4-hour OB right here. This should be low resistance liquidity. I want to change bias, but like it's almost impossible to do that. It's so bearish. It's so freaking bearish. Respecting this 4-hour OB, but the daily is all but bullish. I have this daily breaker, price reacting. Yeah, daily order flow is bullish. I still want to see bullishness here. This would be my last line of defense. If that gets to me, then I lose. Of course, I wasn't disciplined. I moved my stop, risking more. So if I lose, then it will be a 1.5R loss. Pretty bad. Had too much expectation on time. Trying to pull this off. Say if Tuesday's the high of the week because we touched the CB, then it can't just be a unicorn. Oh. We look at that. Price went specifically to fill this gap, which is a BPR. Okay, note to self, SMT and higher time frame breaker is better. Of course it is. This was my original stop loss, but I only moved there because I wasn't expecting this move here. We're close to 10:30. It could, like jumping season. Definitely struggles. Definitely is struggling to go to buy side. My stop was at this order block low, which price didn't even hit, but due to spread I'll probably get taken out unless this is futures. Why? Because that's a breaker. At 10:30 we'll have news. We'll wait. It's like bearish breaker, yeah. A unicorn, bearish breaker, and a Fiji. If this fails, This will be our target. Most likely. Yeah, this low. That's unicorn bearish breaker. We have this pattern that's like market maker sell. The 4 hour, have this block and SIBI. So in any case, it could just hold price. Yeah, looking at how the candles are. I'm gonna remove this. Distracting. I already know what to do anyway. Yeah, respecting the SIBI. How particular. I thought that was inversed. But a daily. Reactive alpha daily breaker. Pressing higher. Daily is bullish, bro. And we hit a 4 hour bearish breaker. 4 hour bullish. The only 4 hour PD array here is definitely this rejection candle. So this is a bad thing. Price could easily just go to that rejection block. Clearing out London's low and Asia session low. It's very much possible. If it does, no. That looks like a bearish breaker. How about this rejection candle? One hour chart. We are in min threshold. Hopefully holding it. Also have this 1 hour rejection block. Reset. Yep. I'm gonna take a loss, bro. 2 L's in a day. Although this one, I'm not mad because it's unexpected, you know. Look how clean it is. Things can happen. Definitely. It can happen. softer break even. So negative 1.5 R loss, and that's it. Yeah, surely it's unexpected. So I'm gonna spot